Hey, lovely ladies. I am going to try my hand at vlogging. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. You got to learn and you got to start somewhere. So today I filmed some content and I'm going to get out of these clothes and put on my comfy robe and do a little chores. I'm going to make sure I do my self care because I didn't do it Sunday and I'm gonna eat and watch me some TV. It's raining. It's been raining since 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm like, well, I'm not gonna get no good sunlight, so I might as well just film a little bit of content and do my self care. Fun facts about me: I have a homeschool hub. I teach parents how to homeschool. I tutor. I teach English to immigrants. Yes, I have a food pantry where we serve our elders and our widows and the disabled, ages 55 and over, because there are a lot of disabled people in our age category that cannot work. So we lowered that elder to about 55 and we serve them one bag of groceries every single month. We are a mobile food pantry, so we take it to them. My husband and I, we just take a percentage of our income and we feed them elders every single month. We give turkeys. We accept donations, but we really don't do a lot of soliciting, which I told him we probably need to do, but we just follow what the Bible says. Okay. The Bible says to do it. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So let's get into my little day to day of me doing a bunch of nothing. We have officially moved into our new home. So I am trying to completely unpack. We've been here for about a month or so, and I still haven't unpacked fully. I still have a lot of decorating to do. I'm currently in my beauty room slash office, so I'm really trying to get a vision for it, pull it together so that this can be a place where I do a lot of recordings in. So you'll see me in different places of the house for right now where I can get the best lighting. But this room, it has a lot of light, but so does some of the other spaces in my house. So I might just keep switching it up just because that's just what I do. So I really hope that I can get all of this stuff together. I promised my youngest daughter, who moved back in with me, but it's okay. I promised her that I would cook some lamb chops and mashed potatoes. So I'm just going to spend this evening just eating and chilling out and doing my self-care routine. That robe is really cracking me up as I look at it on camera, but it's so warm and comfortable. I am so cold natured. Okay, so instead of having the heat on blast all of the time, I just put this robe on. It's not the most attractive. It's one of those blanket robes. I saw it and I cracked up. I said, this is so me. Got a hood on it and everything. So I wear this just to keep control of the heat. But these lamb chops, I cook them in that George Foreman grill, and they came out great. At first, I'm like, this lid ain't closing all the way, but it turned out good. Keep on watching. It was tender. It was seasoned. I don't know. George Foreman, he made that grill. That thing is a banger. I love using it because I don't know how to cook steaks on the skillet or in the broiler to make them tender. I never can get it right. But that George Foreman grill, it gets it right all the time. Now with these potatoes, I was so mad because I ran out of milk, but I added a little water and it was fine. They tasted really good. So, I am doing my self care routine. My face, it has been giving me so much trouble since I moved into my new place. And I figured out that I was allergic to whatever is in our water. It's probably hard water, all of those minerals. And I couldn't figure it out until I went and bought some distilled water. And I said, let me see if I wash my face with only distilled water and my skincare products, will it calm down? And it did. And I bought bentonite clay. That mask is fire. I know about bentonite clay, but I've never used it for my face. I should have been using that for my face. I mean, as you age and mature, you start seeing little things on your face, your collagen and all of that. But that bentonite clay like sucked all of that stuff out. It tightened my pores, shrunk them. My skin is becoming smoother. Now, if I could get rid of the inflammation that's up under there, which I did, after this video, I did it another time and my face is completely like radiant. So I'm going to use that mask once a week. Again, if you are having acne problems, try washing your face with distilled water as you use your products. And I bought these silicone patches, okay? And I put castor oil on my face at night and Vaseline. I switch between the two. So what I'm going to do is to use castor oil and put those silicone patches on my face. Now, the lady said that do not use actives with those silicone patches. Like retinol, I think ceramide, niacinamide, I think. But you can use hyaluronic acid, things that help to kind of calm down itchiness. That's what she was saying, which is castor oil. And it makes it work really, really great. So those silicone patches is like a face mask, and you can keep them on for hours or you can sleep in them. So she sleeps in her silicone patches and she put the silicone face mask over it and she sleeps in it, and her skin transformed in 3 days, and she had some severe acne. I just have a inflammation from being allergic. But if you have acne, try washing your face with distilled water and try using those silicone patches at night. Now again, don't use any actives like acne treatment or anything like that up under the mask. But I use castor oil or another healing agent that will take away your inflammation. But research that. Research silicone patches. These are some of the things that I use in my self-care routine. I don't have any favorites except for that Vagisil. I use that. I don't care what nobody say. It's the truth. Okay, so this is me in my nighttime routine. Gonna take a nice shower and relax. How are you?
Hello.
How are you today?
Good.
Very good. Okay, let's see. All right. So, can you read this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Very good.
6,